resistant, like diamonds. CBN inserts are precious, and no other compares to a Virtus CBN. More than precise cuts, this special insert does things that, for some, would just not be possible. For example, running hardened steels, cut under high speeds, replace the grinding, turn in carbide metal, and bring the best cost benefit on the market. Technology mediates the nature and makes it possible for amazing things to be done by special tools. Well, here they are. Presses, molded, sharp, and tested. Here's the recipe for one of the toughest materials in the world for the cuts of your large machining projects. Virtus, the #1 in smart machining.